everyone, I'm Mao Murakami, the founder of Sparkly Belly, and welcome to the Mirage Bodystocking Premium course. In this special course, you'll learn to make this perfectly fitting Mirage Bodystocking. First, we'll learn about the main fabric that we use to make the bodystocking, and practice sewing it so you can start your project with confidence. Then we'll create a custom pattern from scratch. We'll take your body measurements very thoroughly and make a pattern step by step to make sure the finished bodystocking will fit you really well. We'll then create this leotard style Mirage bodystocking. It covers and hugs your torso nicely and it is very comfortable. We'll finish edges in different ways so that your bodystocking is nice and sturdy but seamless where it should be. Once you create the basic leotard style, we'll explore different design options. We'll hack the basic pattern to create a style that sits at the underbust level and a partial belly cover. We'll learn to add sleeves and leggings. Mixing and matching all these design options, you'll be able to not only have body stockings that give you confidence on stage, but expand design possibilities for your future costumes. I'm really excited to share with you how to make this Mirage bodystocking in this course.